Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. In this video, I want to share a little bit about the Build a Biz Online opportunity. What Build a Biz is really, it's a marketing suite. Okay, it's a marketing system, and it will help you to build any business online that you want to build. Okay, so all the tools that you would need to help in building a business is right here. Okay, and I have been using this system for about a year and a half now. Okay, I thought it was a little bit longer, but it is about a year and a half. And I've shared it a few times, okay? But, you know, I'm going to share this program because I think it is that important to help people to build, okay, their online business, to share a product or service, etc. Okay? And it's low cost to get started. Plus, you're able to make 100% commission. You're able to receive that. Okay, and you know, the cost is only $11.75 per month. Okay, built into that $11.75 is a 100% commission system, whereby the company receives $1.75 of that monthly fee. Okay, and then the person that refers the person paying the $11.75 will receive $10. So let's say that you brought in 20 people to use this system, and on a monthly basis they paid their $11.75, and then you would receive, now for that month, $200 for introducing those people to this system. Okay, so that's how powerful this is. Low cost, powerful marketing suite with all the tools that you need, and I'm going to share those with you in just a second. But I won't be able to share everything in this video because it would take some time, but I'm going to share enough, and then I'm going to do some more videos and share with people the power of Build a Biz system. Okay, so in this video, one of the first things I want to do is go here, and it says main links. Okay, your main links here. View your profile, add your branding image. Okay, frequently asked questions, our legal information. Upgrade here. Okay, add or edit programs, and this is for your programs page where you can add up to 20 programs. Man, you can brand yourself with this page. You can add 20 programs on this page, and that's where you do it right here. Okay, and here you'll see your promotional links and banners, and I'm going to go to that page. And if I did not say, we're in the members area. You'll come, there is a short video here. As you can see, I am a new Pro Plus member. Okay, I've been that way since I've been in the program, but that's what it says. So I am currently paying $10 a month. With the new system, I'll be paying $11.75, and hopefully, look, that's not a lot of money for this robust, powerful system that you can use, again, to help you build any online business. So okay, now here's the Build a Business Online toolbox. Okay, as you can see, Build a Business Online business cards, the Build a Biz HTML editor, Banner Builder 1, Banner Builder 2, your URL rotator. I'm going too fast. Slow down, Terry. And the logo building tool right here. And here in this link, you'll be able to access your pro member tools, okay? And that's your autoresponder, that's your lead capture pages, that's your splash page builder, etc. And I'm telling you, this is a powerful system. So let me do this. Time is moving on, but I want to show you this. So let's go to this, your promotional links part, and I want to show this. And right here, I'll just pause for a second, just say that there's training videos right here. Okay, Build a Biz tool, training videos, autoresponder training videos, advertising training methods. Okay, man, you know, what more could you really ask for? All right, so let me just share with you a couple things here really quickly. As you can see, that let me pause for a moment. I need to close my door because I think family's coming in, so stay with me just for the, I'll be back in a second. Okay, the wonder of video, man. You can pause and you can restart really quickly. Okay, so that's what I did. So so let me just scroll down a little bit. You'll see more of these links that you can use, and these are things that you can use, look, really to market this system. And as you can see, banners, okay, that you can use to promote this program. Okay, everything is in place for you right here. You have all the tools that you really need to build this business. Now let me see, this is the main homepage link here. Okay, so let's kind of look at that real quick. And I'm going to just show you this real quick. Not going to spend a lot of time here. I will come back and talk about this page a little bit, but all right, my computer's just a wee bit slow, but okay, so here we are at the home page. It says welcome to Build a Biz Online. Okay, driven by 100% commissions. Okay, we, with over 15 years of affiliate marketing experience, providing our customers with all the tools and training they need to promote their existing affiliate marketing business online. So you can join here today. You can learn more here. Okay, if you're a customer, you log in right there. Okay, so let me get out of here. Okay, so I want to share this page with you. It says this is the main programs or advertising page link. Okay, and so let's go there. Hopefully we're going to move a little bit faster. Yeah, there we are. And so here again is our programs page. Now you'll be able to add 20 plus programs on this page. I currently have 6 because I want to introduce marketing, advertising, and marketing resources to people, and because, you know, that's going to help anybody to build a business. Okay, is, you know, people are looking for, you know, where do I advertise, what do I need to do? But that's the kinds of things that I use for my programs page. Okay, so let's get back out of here and let me see. I want to show, what do I want to show? Maybe, let's just see here. Some of these I kind of forget. Okay, no, we'll get out of that. Okay, where I wanted to go, we'll go here, and that's the tool demo page link. Okay, show you that, and we'll get ready to close this video out. Just kind of give you an idea of what we have. All right, so as you can see, it says, hi, it's Terry Brown. So your name would go here with a question for you. Are you ready to start earning 100% commissions while building and promoting your existing affiliate business at the same time? Register for free above. Okay, we provide every tool affiliate marketers need to stay safe and work from home. Plus, we teach you how to use them and provide you with methods to promote your products, services, or programs. Okay, so and then we'll scroll down and I'll show you this. Now here's a video that you'll be able to access. And if you wanted information on the autoresponder, because guess what? One of the tools is an autoresponder. You'll click here, boom, and the video will play, okay, and give you information on the autoresponder. You need information on the splash page builder. Guess what? Just hit this. Why? Because one of the tools is the splash page builder, okay, etc. 10 banner page, email tracking, traffic generating blog, okay, email template creator. What else we have? Responder form creator, 2-step form generation, scarcity bar creator, our button builder, okay, and man, splash page, lead capture page, everything that you're going to need to build a profitable, successful business. And guess what? All for only $11.75 per month. You bring people into the program, you're going to make 100% commission. Okay. Okay, in my next video about this program, I'm going to share some more pages with you, okay? And eventually we're going to look at, how you can use this system. This is powerful. This is great. This is a great system for $11.75. All right, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you, man, a just blessed, awesome, wonderful day today. And if you are looking for a great system, Build a Biz online is something that you really should be a part of, okay? I'm going to leave the link so you can access it and get started. Bye-bye now.